Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find the constellation Gemini. Gemini is supposed to represent the twins, these two stick figures right here. And we're going to find Gemini by first finding Orion, which I posted a video about earlier. Okay, so we'll go to my stellarium. And because it's the daytime out right now, we can fast forward the time because we need that sun to go down to see the stars. So let's see, 22:08, that would be 21, oh, that's 9 o'clock. Okay, so 9 o'clock at night. Recall yesterday, we were looking to the southwest, right? We were looking to the southwest and we looked up and we found these three stars. Then we found Betelgeuse, and this constellation right here is Orion. Once you've found Orion, focus in on Betelgeuse and you're going to look straight up towards your zenith, which is the point above your head. Okay, as you look up here, you will find two bright stars. Now they might not look all that different from all these other stars on this stellarium, but when you're looking in the night sky, you will notice, if you move up from Betelgeuse up almost to directly above your head, you will find these two bright stars, and they are pretty noticeable. This one's name is Pollux, and this one's name is Castor. Okay, those are really the two stars that identify the constellation Gemini. If I connect the lines, you can now see the two little stick figures. These are supposed to be the Gemini twins. But really, it's these two stars that help us to locate it in the night sky. I'll turn on the art behind it, and you can see that these are the two twins right here. Okay, so we have been able to find Orion, and then looking straight up from Betelgeuse, we can find these two bright stars, and those are the heads of the Gemini twins. The next constellation that I want you to look for, we're going to shut off the artwork, and we're going to turn our body to the north. So figure out where you would have to be standing in your yard to be looking north. All right, so here's north right here. If you look up from the horizon, not directly above your head, but just up from the horizon, you may have to be in an area that doesn't have any trees blocking it in order to see this one because it's kind of low on the horizon, but you'll see kind of a W shape right here. This W shape is the constellation Cassiopeia, and this is supposed to look like a lady sitting in a chair. At this time of the year, we're actually looking at this constellation upside down. So if I connect the dots, you can see it's kind of a W shape. And then if I put the artwork on it, you can see there's the lady sitting in a chair upside down. That one we might need to, you can see it a little bit easier in the winter time, so it's a little bit low on the horizon, but see if you have a clear enough view of the north sky, northwest sky, you should be able to see this W. Looking almost directly west, you will look up in the western sky and you'll see what will appear to be a very bright star. But it is not a star at all. It is the planet Venus. Venus is the third brightest object in our sky. First is the sun, second is the moon. The third brightest object is Venus. And so it just looks like a really massively bright star. But what you're actually looking at there is our nearest planet Venus. Okay, so see if you can find those few things, and I will be back to show you how to find the Big Little and Little Dipper and also the North Star or Polaris.